These elegant desktop enclosures offer plenty of space for components and an integrated handle for easy portability. COMMUNITEC is characterized by ergonomic contours that give it a modern, timeless appearance. It's available from stock in traffic white and anthracite gray. As a color contrast, the rear handle can also be specified in traffic gray. These versatile plastic enclosures offer various options for installing circuit boards and bulky components. There are two different sizes, S and the larger M. Both sizes feature an ergonomically inclined front section, allowing the integration of large displays. The enclosures are designed with flat surfaces on all sides to accommodate connections, ventilation slots, and additional installations. COMMUNITEC is ideal for medical applications such as patient monitoring, diagnosis, surveillance, laser treatment, and foot care. It is also perfect for test and measurement in the laboratory, for error analysis, and for quality control.